You've probably seen someone rubbing charcoal, lemon, baking soda, or even strawberries onto their teeth. Some people swear these tricks work. Others say they'll ruin your teeth. So who's right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which whitening hacks are myths, which are harmless but disappointing, and which can permanently damage your enamel. To understand why these methods often fail, we have to look at the actual anatomy of a tooth. It's composed of two primary layers, a hard, bright outer shell called the enamel, and a thicker, naturally yellow inner layer known as the dentin. The first type of discoloration is an extrinsic stain. These sit purely on the surface of your enamel. They're caused by outside forces, like the pigmented compounds found in coffee, tea, wine, and tobacco. Then there are intrinsic stains. These occur deep beneath the surface, within the tooth's internal structure. They happen naturally as we age, through our genetics, or when our enamel begins to thin out. Determining whether a stain is on the surface or locked inside the tooth changes everything about how you have to treat it. Trying to fix an internal color with a surface-level hack is a biological mismatch. It is why so many people see zero results. They are trying to scrub away a color that isn't even on the outside of the tooth. Kitchen-based remedies rely on a common assumption, that if an ingredient is sitting in our pantry, it's safer for our biology than something created in a laboratory. This leads many to ingredients like activated charcoal and baking soda. The idea is that their gritty texture acts as a magnet to pull out toxins and surface stains, but those abrasives can't reach deep stains. Instead, they physically sand away your protective enamel, wearing it down until the yellow dentin underneath is exposed. This actually makes your teeth look more yellow, not less. Then there are natural acids, like lemon juice and strawberries. The viral claim is their enzymes work as a brightener. In reality, prolonged contact chemically dissolves the enamel. This creates pitting and permanent damage, making teeth vulnerable to cavities. Even oil pulling, the practice of swishing coconut oil, lacks any reliable scientific evidence of whitening power, despite its ancient traditions and social media popularity. The most extreme DIY methods involve homemade bleaching strips. These often use dangerous concentrations of household chemicals, which can lead to chemical burns and permanent hypersensitivity. These DIY hacks treat your teeth like a set of dirty dishes that just need a good scrub. In the process, they destroy the very physical defense system that keeps your teeth healthy. If most whitening hacks don't work, what actually makes teeth become whiter? To change the color of a tooth, an ingredient has to stay in contact long enough to pass through the enamel and alter the stains hidden deep inside. This is the role of hydrogen and carbamide peroxide. They work through a chemical process called oxidation. When peroxide molecules enter the tooth, they interact with dark, clustered compounds called chromogens, fracturing them into smaller, lighter fragments. For surface stains, ADA-accepted whitening toothpastes are the first tier of safety. They use controlled, mild abrasives and low-dose peroxide to clean the enamel without sanding it away. For those deeper internal stains, at-home trays and strips are more effective because they physically hold the peroxide against the tooth long enough for that chemical reaction to take place. Professional dentist treatments offer the most dramatic results. Because they can safely protect your gums, they can use the highest concentrations of peroxide to whiten teeth in a single session. While peroxide can cause temporary sensitivity or gum irritation, it doesn't inflict the permanent structural ruin caused by acidic or abrasive kitchen hacks. Because whitening is a chemical process happening inside the tooth, lab-tested science is the only biological way to change your smile's color safely. We often fall for the myth that natural is synonymous with safe, but your enamel cannot grow back. The damage from natural acids and harsh pantry abrasives is irreversible and lifelong. Properly formulated, ADA-accepted products are designed in a laboratory to solve a specific problem. They balance chemical power with the biological safety of your teeth. The internet rewards the speed and drama of a kitchen hack, but your biology rewards the patience of clinical science. If you've ever been tempted to try a viral whitening hack, share this with someone before they do.
Keep your smile bright. Give this video a thumbs up. Share the health tips with your friends. And let us know what you think in the comments. Live healthy.